Module 1, Lecture A, Introduction to the Course. If you've been relying on Pandas and are curious whether polars can give you faster, more scalable data workflows, without breaking everything you already know, this course is designed for you. Together, we'll unpack how these two libraries think about data, and you'll see where polars can slot into your existing projects instead of replacing them outright. You don't need any special background beyond basic Python and some familiarity with tabular data. We'll guide you from high-level concepts to hands-on comparisons so you can make informed decisions about when and how to migrate. We'll start by contrasting Pandas' row-based, index-centric design with Polar's columnar, column-centric architecture, and you'll see how those differences play out in memory usage, performance, indexing, and execution models like eager versus lazy and single-threaded versus parallel query plans. From there, you'll set up a clean Python environment where Pandas and polars run side by side, install and verify both libraries, and load aligned CSV datasets into each so you can compare them fairly. You'll then move into building DataFrames and LazyFrames from dictionaries, lists, CSV, and Parquet, inspecting and adjusting schemas, renaming columns, casting types, and converting between Pandas and polars while keeping results consistent. Finally, you'll learn to express familiar Pandas patterns, loc chains, groupbys, aggregations, window functions, joins, and reshaping as concise, expression-based polars pipelines, validating every step against trusted Pandas baselines. By the end of the course, you'll be able to design hybrid Pandas polars workflows, translate your existing Pandas data wrangling code into efficient polars pipelines, and validate that your new implementations match legacy outputs row by row. You'll know how to control data frame shape and content with idiomatic polars expressions, build and optimize LazyFrame pipelines that join and reshape multiple tables, and handle rolling and cumulative calculations with confidence. Most importantly, you'll come away feeling ready to introduce polars into real projects, starting small, measuring performance, and gradually migrating critical pieces of your stack without guesswork or unnecessary risk. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.